The Coates steamer was an American steam automobile promotion by George A. Coates. A corporation was formed, and perhaps 2 prototypes were assembled. 5 incrementally different designs were described. The first was by a Norwegian engineer and used 2 3-cylinder radial engines on the rear axle, one powering each wheel. The second was by James Yeikichi Sakuyama, for years an engine designer at Indianapolis, with a V3 engine, gearbox and cast grid steam generator. It was quickly changed to a fire tube steam generator and inline 3-cylinder engine flat in the chassis. The fourth design took that Sakuyama chassis and engine and replaced the steam system in late 1923 with Charles A. French's patent design. The French Coates was technically the most superior, probably the most likely to have been functional, and the car used in photographs. The fifth design was simply the chassis of Purdue professor Alan C. Staley, shown as a high-grade Coates steam car at 3 shows. The car price remained the same at $1,085 throughout the promotion, and dealerships and distributorships were sold to finance the development and sales effort. Eventually Coates obtained the confidence of Y.F. Stewart, who had manufacturing facilities. A pickle factory in Bowling Green, Ohio was obtained, and a defunct coach builder's factory in Columbus, Ohio was purchased. The Cumberland Tire Company was shown in advertisements as a third factory, as they were to be the tire supplier. All was gone by mid-1924, when the Columbus plant was sold. Coates went on to many enthusiastic promotions, including road building equipment in 1924 in New Jersey, and inadvertently became one of the creators of the syndicate which quickly became CBS. He stayed in radio promotion in New York City and was buried in the family cemetery in Indiana. References: David Burgess Wise, The New Illustrated Encyclopedia of Automobiles. John Bentley, Coates, in the Old Car Book, number 168, Fawcett Books, copyright 1952, page 106, many errors.